Welcome to Latest Auto Pro. Today, we're diving into an absolute monster, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus 900 Rocket Edition. This isn't just an SUV, it's a hyper SUV built for those who want extreme power, aggressive styling, and ultimate luxury. Let's check out what makes this Brabus-tuned G-Wagon a true road rocket. Brabus has taken the already powerful AMG G63 and turned it into something extraordinary. The full carbon fiber body kit, aggressive front grille, massive air intakes, and 24-inch forged wheels give it a dominating presence on the road. The wide fenders and aerodynamic spoiler add to its sporty and high-performance look. And those red accented Brabus badging and carbon fiber details make sure everyone knows this isn't a regular G63, it's a beast. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, Brabus has upgraded the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 to a 0.5-liter twin-turbocharged powerhouse, producing an insane 900 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. This means it can launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds, which is absolutely crazy for an SUV of this size. The top speed is limited to 280 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. And of course, the Brabus signature active exhaust system delivers a deep, roaring sound that makes this machine even more aggressive. Step inside and you'll find pure luxury mixed with a sporty feel. The interior features custom Brabus quilted leather seats, Alcantara and carbon fiber trim, and an illuminated Brabus logo on the steering wheel. The fully digital cockpit, high-end infotainment system, and 64-color ambient lighting make it a perfect blend of modern technology and extreme comfort. But here's the catch. This Brabus 900 Rocket Edition is extremely rare. Only 25 units will be made worldwide, making it a true collector's SUV. And if you want one, get ready to spend over $500,000. So, is this the ultimate luxury performance SUV? Absolutely. The 2025 Brabus 900 Rocket Edition is an unbeatable combination of pile and exclusivity. What do you think about this insane machine? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Latest Auto Pro for more exciting car content. See you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay tuned.